Bonsoir, je m'appelle Hani, je suis votre enseignante de la langue française. My name is Hani and I'm your French instructor. Today's video's topic is les sons des combinaisons des lettres, the sounds of the combination of the letters. If you remember, in our last video we have learned les sons des alphabets, the sounds of the alphabets, and there we saw the particular and separate sound of each and every letter. Now today we are going to learn if we get some particular letters in some particular combinations, how they are pronounced or what sound they produce. अगर आपको याद हो, हमारी लास्ट वीडियो में हमने अल्फ़ाबेट्स की साउंड के बारे में पढ़ा था और आज हम पढ़ेंगे अगर कुछ पर्टिकुलर लेटर्स हमें किन्हीं कॉम्बिनेशंस में मिलते हैं तो हम उनको किस तरह से प्रोनाउंस करते हैं या वो किस तरह की साउंड प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the letter O has O sound always, but when it is combined with I, it gives the sound wa. So in the same manner, we are going to see some combination sounds in the presentation and we are going to learn their sounds as well. To better make you understand this topic, I have divided these sounds in three categories. In the first category, I have taken the combination of two vowels, A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. They are vowels in French. H is always silent, so I have taken 6 vowels, A, E, I, O, U and Y, and they are combined with vowels. In that case, what sound they produce, that we will see in the first category. In the second category, I have taken the combination of vowels and two consonants, N and M. And we are going to see what sound they pronounce in a word. The second category is also called les voyelles nasales or les sons nasales, the nasal vowels or the nasal sounds, because when we pronounce them, they produce the sound from the nose, or we can say we feel some vibration here or in the nose because some air comes out from the nose. For example, the word O-N, it is pronounced as O. So we are feeling here and here some vibration and the air comes out from the nose. That's why they are called les voyelles nasal, the nasal vowels, or they pronounce the nasal sounds. In the third category, I have taken some other groups or some other combinations and their sounds. So please watch carefully. Here it is, the presentation. So here we have our first slide where we can see les combinaisons des voyelles, the combination of the vowels. Let's see, here I have given you all the vowels which are A, E, I, O and U, and they are again combined with the same vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and here again with E we have A, E, I, O, U. So in the same manner we are continuing with all the vowels like A, E, I, O and U. Now let's see their sounds, as I have given you all the pronunciations and I have tried to write them in Hindi as well. How do we pronounce them, the sounds? Let's see. The first one is A. So whenever you are having the combination of double A in a word, you will pronounce that as A. We will see some examples after this presentation as well. A, it is I. A, E, it is pronounced as A. A, O in a combination will be pronounced as A, O, Ao. A, U, it is pronounced as O. I'm just revising here. A, I, A, Ao, O. So whenever you are having these combinations in a word, they will be pronounced, they will produce the same sounds as I have written here. Now the combination with vowel E, with A, E, I, O and U again. So first one is E and A. It is pronounced as A. Double E, A or E sometimes. E, I, it is pronounced as A. E with O is AO. E and U, it is pronounced as U. I am revising the sounds here. A, A, AO and U. The third one, I, A, Ea. I, E is pronounced as EA, EA. Double I is pronounced as E. I with the combination of O is pronounced as EO. And I with U is pronounced as U. Now let's see the sounds again. Ea, EA, E, EO and U. Now here we have the sounds with vowel O. O with A is pronounced as OA, OA, O and E, or O, E with U is pronounced as U. OI and letter OY is pronounced as WA. Double O is pronounced as O. And the combination of OU is U. The first sound was OA. Then we have U, the combination of O and E. It is written always like O, E. You can see here. Then we have WA, O and U. The last combination here we have with U, and letter U with A is pronounced as WA. Here we are not having the harsh sounds. It's as French is a soft spoken language, so we pronounce the sounds, we pronounce the words very softly, and it is like WA. So we are not saying like ooh-ah, it's wa. The combination of U and E is U or oo, U. UI is pronounced as we or we. U and O is wo, and double U is pronounced as oo. Let's revise the sounds here. Wa, U, we, wo, and oo. Now let's see, some examples are given here. The first word is pronounced as gay. Gay, that means happy. Next word we have toro. Toro, that means Taurus. Neige. Neige. And the last word here we have feu. Feu. After this, the next word is pronounced as pied. Pied, that means foot. Sœur. Sœur, sister. Oiseau. Oiseau, that means bird. Hibou. Hibou, that means owl. Now in the second slide we are having les sons nasales, the nasal sounds, or les voyelles nasales, the vowels A, E, I, O, U and Y, when they are combined with two consonants, especially M and N, they produce the nasal sounds. That's why they are called les voyelles nasales. Now let's see the combinations. The first we are having AM and AN, that gives the sound O, O. And if we are having P, PS or B, BS with AM, there we have a slight sound of M as well. Om, Om. In the same manner with EM, EN, they give the sound O, O. And when they are combined with P or PS or B or BS, there we can have a slight sound of M as well, Om. IM and IN, they give the sound A, OM and ON, they are pronounced as O, O. The sound of UM and UN is A, and YM and YN also has the same sound and they are pronounced as A. Now let's see some examples. So the first word we have chambre, chambre, because the sound of AMB is OM. CH is pronounced as sh. So we are reading this word as chambre, that means bedroom. Ampoule, ampoule, bulb. Enfer, enfer, that means hell. Vin, vin, that means wine. Bonjour, bonjour, that means hi or hello, good morning. Pompier, pompier, fireman. Parfum, parfum, perfume. Symbol, symbol, symbol. Now here we have some more nasal sounds. AIN is pronounced as A, A. EIN also has the same sound and it is pronounced as A, A. Letters OIN, they are pronounced as Va, Va. And IEN, it gives the sound Ya, Ya. Now let's see some examples here. Ma, ma, that means hand. Loin, loin, far, far. Chien, chien, dog. Plein, plein, that means full or plenty of. Now here in the third slide we are having some more combination sounds. Let's see what are they. The word, the combination CION and TION, they are pronounced as Sion, Sion. Combination SION, it gives the sound Zion, Zion. CIAL and TIAL, it is pronounced as Sial,
Sial. Now here we have these combinations: easy, ed, et, er and es. They are pronounced as a. Ch and sch, it gives the sound of sh. Double s is pronounced as s. Sc in the starting of a letter of a word, it is pronounced as sk. Psy in a combination is pronounced as psi. We have a slight sound of p as well, psi. Ph, it is pronounced as f. Th gives the sound of t. Eau is pronounced as o. The sound of gn is always near. Ture has ture sound, ture. Now here we have some more combinations: QU, QUE, CU and CUE. They give the sound k. GU is pronounced as g and GU with I, it is pronounced as gi. QI, it gives the sound of ki. And ILLE has ear sound, ear. Now see some examples given here. The first word is pronounced as feel. That means girl. Next word we have tas. That means cup. Champagne, champagne. The next example we have, it is pronounced as te, that means tea. And the last example we are having is bureau, because the sound of eau is o. So we are pronouncing this word as bureau. Exposition, that means exhibition. Next example we have AVA, sink. The next example given is pronounced as robinet, that means a tap. And the last example is pronounced as vision, that means vision.
I hope after watching this video the sounds are quite clear to you, but still if you are having any doubts, any questions, you can put your messages in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep practicing with me. This is Honey in French Popcorn. Merci, bonjour.